We're getting the BMW ready to go out for a Friday night car meet. I haven't been yet, so it'll be kind of checking out what kind of cars show up and how good of a time it is. So I got to put the battery back in it. I've had it on a charger, so it's ready to go. But before I go, I'm just going to give it a rinse down. Not actually going to really like scrub wash it, but the car's pretty dirty. I mean, it came on the trailer just like this and I haven't washed it off. And then obviously all of the wildfire smoke, ash, whatever, has kind of just been settling on it for a while. So we're gonna get it slightly more presentable, and then we'll cruise out and see what kind of cars are at this Friday meet. Best part about the garage is that it has a nice echo, so start up and the exhaust sound a bit louder inside, so enjoyable for me. Hopefully the neighbors don't mind. The car's not that loud, so it really shouldn't be that much of a problem, but sounds good in here. We'll start it up. Then we'll take it outside for a little rinse down. Did my tail lights work? Well, changed my mind. I am gonna give it a quick little wash off. There's that number 5 from the shipper on the windshield that we definitely really want to get rid of, and yeah, we're getting it wet. Why not? I know with the LaxSilver being clear coated, there's not much I can really do to bring it back, but it definitely looks good wet. If anybody has good detailing experience that I can try to bring back some more of the shine when it's dry, gotta let me know. Well, the brake pedal went to the floor in the BMW about a mile away, so yeah, nurse that one back, put it back in the garage. We're gonna take the truck to the little car meet, and then I guess when we're back from that, we'll get the BMW up on stands and find out if we lost the line or what's going on there.
like,
You want me to say, I can just take them out of there, but just like,
I'm just afraid, like, are they just gonna slide right
Well, we made it back from the Friday meet. Do have to say it was, more cars showed up than I thought it would be. It seems like a good time once you get to know some people, but it definitely felt like just being in a giant vape cloud most of the time. So, I mean, I look forward to going back to that one. Hopefully in the future we can figure out what's going on with this guy and take this over.